Latest Modern Kitchen Design Ideas, 2023. Top kitchen remodeling ideas, and ingenious kitchen storage tricks. Be one of the HD Interiors family. To make your home vibrant, HD Interiors channel is your way to build a contemporary home. Out of all the rooms in a home, the kitchen is the one homeowners invest the most in. Kitchen remodels recover nearly 67% of their value in resale, making it one of the best home improvement investments if you're thinking about renovating your kitchen. Follow these kitchen's remodel ideas to create your dream cooking space. Number 1. Design an efficient layout. Before you start your kitchen renovation, think about maximizing traffic flow in the space. Rearranging the layout of the refrigerator, dishwasher, or lower cabinets in your kitchen floor plan can both open up the room and increase opportunities for more storage. Number 2. Change out the flooring. Upgrade your kitchen by changing up the floor. Put down concrete floors that are easy to clean, or install a combination of different colored tiles to make up a decorative design. If you love hardwood floors, but it's too expensive, there are plenty of stick-on vinyl options that give the same effect. Number 3. Replace backsplash tile. Give your kitchen a refresh with new backsplash tile. Available in a range of designs and styles, a backsplash is a great way to add a visually creative touch to your dream kitchen. Using subway tiles as a backsplash is a kitchen decor trick that can make a small kitchen feel larger. Number 4. Change out kitchen countertops. Changing your countertops is an excellent way to add value to your home. Materials like wood, concrete, granite, and marble can make your countertops the focal point of your kitchen. Number 5. Add a kitchen island. A kitchen island can expand your cooking space by providing a prep area, extra storage, and a place for seating all in one spot. Kitchen islands come in all sizes and can include shelves or drawers for storing appliances, dishes, and pans, as well as space for microwaves, dishwashers, or sinks. Number 6. Extend countertop space. An important aspect of a kitchen remodel is making sure there's enough countertop space. Extend your counters by building extra shelving supports or using decorative corbels to lower cabinets, islands, or existing countertops during the remodel. Number 7. Include a pantry. Whether you have a small or large kitchen, a pantry is an important detail in a kitchen remodel. Not only can you keep dried goods on shelves, and in drawers, but you can also store brooms, mops, and trash cans to keep them out of the way. If a walk-in pantry isn't part of the plan, a standalone pantry will still do the job. Number 8. Incorporate open shelving. Do you have a china collection, or decorative bowls, you want to show off? Open shelving gives your kitchen more space, without you having to knock down walls. If you're taking on a galley kitchen remodel, replacing bulky cabinets with open shelving can help open up the small space and make it feel larger. Number 9. Go with modern cabinets. Change out old cabinets for sleek cabinets that match the design of your kitchen. Cabinets with push latches, integrated handles, or edge pulls are perfect for mastering a simple yet modern look. But if a major cabinet overhaul is not in the kitchen remodel budget, opt for some DIY projects to upgrade existing cabinets, like repainting or installing hardware yourself. Number 10. Build cabinetry around appliances. When remodeling your kitchen, planning ahead will help you get all of the kitchen organization and storage you need. Measure your appliances and build custom cabinets around them to take advantage of vertical space. Framing appliances not only create a seamless look in your kitchen, but it provides more pantry room. Number 11. Upgrade major appliances. With kitchen renovations, upgrading appliances with quality, energy-efficient models is an easy way for you to make big aesthetic changes. Number 12. Switch out lighting. Replacing light fixtures is a great idea for updating your kitchen. Task lights, pendant lights, wall-mounted sconces, and track lighting are all easy ways to brighten up your kitchen. Number 13. Replace dull hardware. Switching out hardware, like cabinet handles, drawer knobs, and light switches, can make a kitchen feel brand new. Choose a classic look like brass or nickel knobs, or add an industrial edge with copper or wood handles. Number 14. Rethink cabinet interiors. Make sure there's no wasted space in your cabinets. Installing extra features, like sliding drawers, drawer dividers, and pantry pullouts in upper and lower cabinets can make accessing items easier. Number 15. Make room for an appliance garage. To keep small appliances, like coffee makers, mixers, blenders, and toasters accessible, but hidden, put an appliance garage in your cabinetry. This little kitchen design trick is perfect for keeping countertops clear. Number 16. Install a rolling ladder. Ceiling height cabinets are good for getting more kitchen storage, but they can be difficult to access. Make reaching those high cabinets a breeze by incorporating a stylish rolling ladder into your kitchen space. Number 17. Design an eat-in kitchen. When you're planning your kitchen renovation, make room for company. Connect the kitchen to the dining area with an open floor plan that allows for a large table with plenty of seating. If you need a little motivation, eat-in kitchens are a desirable home feature that will pay off when it comes time to sell.